Hey there, what's up? This is Miggy7215 here. We were supposed to have the title called what do you call this? Ikwento mo kay Master PMG. This is actually the reason dapat kasi baguhin. This is actually just because of the anniversary of DWPM, or let's just say the Teleradyo Servicio. Um, Someone just occupied first, so they just have it after TV Patrol. That was called Johnson Ikwento Mo. Yeah, Johnson Ikwento Mo. So, pagtapos nito, I decided to change the title. So we'll welcome to the podcast. So we will have at least two to three exact or on the point of the topic that we'll be talking about. So okay, so just to remind you that the views and opinions expressed by the host do not necessarily state or reflect those of the companies with its management. Furthermore, the views and opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host, the vlogger, the program, the management, and the PMG, the network. Here's the main topic that we've been discussing last time that we had tackled during the Philippine Independence Day. Though I know you're familiar with the Nation Skill Group, but we have to control with the crowd. Kasi pagdating kasi sa free events, you really have to know what happens there. Pag free, we know everyone loves free because free events are definitely for everyone. Yeah, everything is free if you want it free or yeah, basta free. We love free stuff. If there's a free admission, you can go, but remember to know your limits. Okay, so the question right there is, what are the concerns regarding the Music Kalayaan 2024? Or let's just say the music during the Philippine Independence Day this 2024. We just changed the title to Usap Tayo with Master PMG. So yung title naman ng pinalitan na dahil na-occupy na yung kay Johnson, yung sa DWPM. So okay, so if there's any concern with regarding the crowd control, because we don't know how many blooms, we know with not everyone is a bloom, because there are lots of casuals, other casual listeners, lalo sa mga bata, pati yung mga umakyat dito sa bubong. But that is not right. That is not really that right, because what happens when you fall down, then you can't risk for yourself anyway. If that this really happened, um, they ended up liking two songs. So they gathered around along with Coach Mickey. Sinabi daw na no more games daw, one more song, and that really has the plan. So alam mo na yon. So you have to be careful with the situation. Lalo na po libre yon. So, iba po yung sa scenario regarding po sa Love Laban. It's not the audience fault but the weather. But this one, this Independence Day event, alam nyo na. Talagang yung last song is wag muna tayo umuwi, pero inuwi na dahil they actually cut off short dahil sa daming ng tao na hindi nila kaya kakayanin, sa sobrang daming ng tao na patigasan naman ng talaga ng mga ulo nila. So this is really alarming. So buti nga lang na nakapag-interact kahit konti sa Bini, pero what more this 2024, pahirapan na. But still, we have to accept the reality. Pagdating sa mga two big names, SB19 and Bini, dadami din yan. So what's next to become a popularity? Please do not compare to the other P-pop groups, because we will rise up pa rin po. So we will rise pa rin po. Okay, so the voting out there, though it's actually the people's opinion, since Bini could be the next big thing, lalo yung crowd ay lumalaki na when it comes to free admission stuff. What are your thoughts for the future? Again, Bloom's opinion lang ito, ha. This is just an opinion. So 75% that needs a tight security. Kailangan security talaga. Tapos yung 0%, no more free admission. Yan, no more free admission, nothing, no one asked for it, because paano magkakaroon ng free events kung wala silang pera? that's actually a one big thing, because the thing is, if they are really famous enough, the more there will be more expectations na they will just focus more into paid events na talaga. There's no more free for that band, no more. Parang buhay lang ang ay hindi talaga karera, meaning it's not really easy anymore to have free stuff. Then the 25% or the quarter of the voting, or the quarter of the total votes is expecting paid events. So dahil ang sinasabi ko, mas maasahan na maraming paid events ang mangyayari. Because even though if it's whether free or not, yung security ang problema. What we need is uh, in my very honest opinion, tama naman yung sinabi ni Karen Davila sa TV Patrol. More security. That needs security. That means maraming security pagdating sa mga bigger names in any agents or in any artist agency. That means we need a lot of security. Tulad sa SB19, that we really need that. SB19, Bini, lalo sa mga kapamilya love teams, yung mga uso ngayon. And then going on to the second topic, we know people needs personal space. Like I was about to plan starting this month, I think, or maybe in August, because we need something for our comeback for the PMG. So we need something after a few months of break, including the animation, which it would lead to some of the problem. Yeah, I actually had some few problems right after, some ringing issues, like anything that has to come with an issue na kailangan tapusin muna, tas tsaka ako makabalik ako sa trabaho. So please do not force request any meetups as of the moment. You will have to request me first before I will think whether if I will accept it or not. So I need space for the meetup setting. So kinakailangan na parang um, you need to give something for yourself, lalo na po may ginagawa ka sa buhay mo. You know, I'm already 28 years old. You know what? I'm already 28 and life is not really that easy. Remember that the one that I saw a few days ago, talagang hindi maganda ang ginagawa ng isang lalaki. You know what? Here's the story. So remember that we need to respect their privacy, including the family bonding, day off, time out, voluntary leave, lahat ng klaseng ng leave, any kind of a leave, lahat na we need personal space of an artist agency, because there's one guy who tries to go very, very close to a Beanie member named Aya. So that's not really that good, guys. So you will have to pay your. So you really need a protection. Remember, protect your idols at all cost. Don't worry, guys. You are not alone, kasi I'm very disappointed din sa yung ginagawa niyang lalaki na yun. So that's really not cool if you are a stranger, tas mag-gate crush ka pa para makita yung sa mga iniidolo ninyo. Do you think that is right? Of course not. O di ba pati family dinner ni Bini Maloy, that's actually one of their disruptive moments. And there's one guy as well who wanted to interrupt for the picture, and although yes, yeah, and as per Direct Rowan, Maloy is not really that happy because of that situation, because pagdating sa family get together, it's actually for the family. Hindi pwede mag-interrupt kahit kaninong tao, kahit sinong tao. Never ever interrupt that. Kasi we need strengthened measures pagdating sa mga spaces ng mga ganyan. Remember, if you those two, kung sino gumawa ng ganitong harassment na yan, you are definitely might be in the violation of the Republic Act of number 11313. Yeah, that's the IRR of Republic Act of number 11313. So, yan po ang batas nun, kung hindi ko kakakamali nun. So, that's what we call the Safe Space Act. Alam mo na yon. So, you really have to give space para kung sakasakali yung kung gusto makita yung idolo, but do not do that in a proper way. In short, two words, walang respeto sa mga ginagawa ng illegal na aktibidad, lalo na po sa mga private activities. Dapat ilagay natin yung bouncer para hakarin ng mga yan. Anyways, those are the two topics for this week, and expect more by a couple of weeks if I'm not that quite busy. Kaya makita tayo ulit sa susunod at makipag-usap tayo with your master, PMG.